Hey everybody, Allison Rauch, Public Information Coordinator with Greer CPW. It's 2 o'clock, and I just wanted to quickly provide you an update on where we stand following Tropical Storm Helene and our restoration and recovery efforts. I am here at my office. We have had some cell phone issues, which have limited me in providing you some videos out in the field, but I wanted to come on and bring you an update really quickly on where we stand. We are anticipating extended outages related to Tropical Storm Helene. We are working as quickly and safely as possible to get your service restored. But I did want to come on and let you all know that we are anticipating extended outage times related to this tropical storm. But I want to let you know we have equipment on hand. We have our staff on hand, and they are out. Currently, we are waiting on Duke Energy to repair their transmission lines, and then we can get customers up. And so we're in that little holding pattern right now, but we are working to get you restored as quickly as we can. Please continue to stay off the roads. This is limiting our crews to get out to trim trees, to remove trees, get them off of the road. So please, only emergency vehicles on the road at this time. If you've already reported the outage in our customer service portal, please do not call in to customer service to let them know that you are out. We already know that you are without power. Priorities for restoring power include hospitals, our water and wastewater treatment plants, and then we restore commercial and residential properties that allow us to get the most customers on at one time. So if it's a circuit, we will get that circuit back up, and then we will focus on some of the more isolated issues. So I wanted to let you know on how that is going to work for us when we are ready to start restoring service. Hospitals, water and wastewater treatment plant, and then commercial and residential that will allow us to get the most customers up at one time. Thank you all for your patience, your prayers. Our crews are out there. We will be out there restoring service until everybody's back up, and just appreciate your patience and staying off the roads for us. I'll provide another update when I have one, but again, be safe and please stay off the roads.